The building exterior. It has neutral walls and reddish roofs in a loose Mediterranean-inspired style. The apartment has light walls and trim with light wood-inspired floors. The front door opens into the galley kitchen, which has light cabinets and counters with chrome-colored fridge, smooth-top stove, dishwasher, and built-in microwave. The sink side is open to the living area, and there are 2 hanging lamps over a small bar area. The living area has a dark ceiling fan, and there is 1 window at the far end. Near the kitchen is a built-in floor-to-ceiling shelf. The bedroom also has a ceiling fan and window, along with a walk-in closet with wire shelves and hanger rods. The bathroom decor matches the kitchen, with light vanity counter and cabinet. There is a medicine cabinet and oversint mirror, and some built-in cabinets right inside the door. There is a balcony with a decorative railing. The pool has trees and planters, deck chairs, and wide steps with railing. There is also a fire behind a metal grate. A grassy area has cornhole games set among trees. Cushioned chairs near the pool. The pool area has sunny and shady areas. A built-in barbecue area near the pool. The barbecue area has a string of lights overhead. There are outdoor tables nearby. Another shot of the pool and the fire area, which is right next to the pool. Another shot of cushioned chairs near the pool, with a large white rock table between them. Shots of the pool from above. There is also a hot tub. The camera pans out of the pool courtyard, over the rooftops, and shows the city beyond.